Who do you know? Think well and write down the names of people you know who are close to you in any way. Which of these people could you speak about? Whom do you know well? Write their names randomly on a piece of paper. Personal card index for each of the names you have written down. Get a new small piece of paper. Start writing the most important information about the person as you remember it. Later on, take your time in ordering the cards by alphabetical order. Keep them safe. Approach your contacts. Having built a register of people you know, helps you remember what information they have already shared with you. It also helps you review this information and combine it into the creation of new ideas. Contact these people and make the connection stronger. Being sociable is helpful. In a social meeting with one of your contacts, you basically have a chance to make the person feel welcome in your presence. This builds up the relationship between you. It brings you closer. You might not want to be a good friend to everyone, but it helps to have decent behavior toward people. Don't be a stranger. When you tell someone that you're busy, it is more likely that they will abstain from requesting your precious time in the future. How often do you find yourself saying that to people, and why? Make a note of this in your diary. Also, try making time for the people who have approached you were busy. Perhaps what they had to say is interesting to you. Time for a meeting. Assign an appointment within your schedule for meeting people in person. Be open to making new acquaintances. Be open to people showing up with people you haven't met before. Doing so will facilitate your network building. It is also going to help you release stress, enjoy your time, and make time spent with people feel even more valuable. Create a social map. Take your gear and write down how you know each of these people. Signify relationships between them with arrows. Circle those who you can depend on with a pen of a different color. Use your creativity to create a visual about your social network. Evaluation time. Look at your personal index cards once more. Fill in any new information that you now have about the persons. It might be something personal or something professional. How has your understanding of them changed through your recent interactions? How has your relationship changed with those you began collaborating with? What hopes do you have for the future?